Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Costoco Shiatsu back massager. Now you can see right here I have it right on my chair, but you also have the ability to have this in your car. So a lot of high-end Mercedes-Benz, BMW vehicles have back massagers, but guess what? You can have one as well with this Costoco basically really good quality back massager. So in today's video I'm going to review it, pros and cons, what my thoughts are, and as always, smash the like button for YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel, and subscribe for more videos. So let's go into it. I will post a link of this product down below in the description if you're interested, but it is pretty simple, pretty intuitive. It does basically need to be plugged in into the wall or into a car jack. Now, the car jack, the wire is provided, so this goes into the basically the cigarette lighter area where you're charging basically different devices. But this one also has one for the wall for the house. So there's different functionalities which I'll go into right here in a little bit more detail. Let me go ahead and show you guys. And I always keep the plastic on to make sure that it stays well and I don't get it all greased up with food. So sorry about that. But you can see right here, these are the different functionalities of the back massager. So you just press the power button right here, and it goes ahead and turns on. Now I have it on full back, and it will basically go from the lower back all the way up to right here, so right up to the bottom of your neck, and it does a phenomenal job. It is quite strong, so if you're looking for something strong and not weak, this is perfect. I was kind of afraid that this would not massage my back well enough, but as you can see right here from the rollers, it does a phenomenal job, and you do feel the massaging Shiatsu band. So there's also a vibration setting. So it does vibrate the bottom of the seat, but not the top. So just know that. And there's different functionalities for that vibration. There's also a heat function, and the heat function does warm up the bottom, which is phenomenal during the winter time if you're driving your car or if you're at home trying to warm up. This is really good. There's also a timer you can place, so if you're driving your car and say, hey, you know what, I just need 5 minutes, I may not keep track of it, you can put a timer here for 5 minutes. And you also have the functionality of doing upper back or lower back, whichever you choose. But overall, this is a phenomenal product, and you just put it right back in here. It's going to be difficult having the recording and then putting it back in, but this is phenomenal in my opinion. And there's also this protective layer here that protects you from the beads. And also I like it because it keeps it clean. So if you get into the car, or you get into a certain area and you're sweaty or whatnot, and you don't want that to be dirty, this is a great thing to have right there. And this is a little headrest for it. This is the bottom. You can see this is a strap. So if I want to strap it to this chair or the car seat, I have that ability. But in my opinion, this is a phenomenal product to have. Highly recommend it. Again, I will post a link down below if you guys are interested in the Costco back massager. For folks that are working from home and are sitting a lot, I think this is great to have, as it will basically help the blood flow for the body. So with that said, press the like button, subscribe for more videos, comment down below if you've tried this back massager or another one. I want to know your thoughts. And as always, I will leave a link down below in the description if you're interested to purchase this. And check you guys out later. Thanks.